Okay, so today we're gonna try Arteza. These are some paintbrush. I mean they're like pen, but they're based on water. So let's open it to see what is there inside. Technically they have 48 pens. Okay, and this is set up really well. So I finally open it. We got all the color from the back of the box. Okay, so we got 4 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got 1 extra brush. This is for blending. Okay, so like I said before, they're based on water. So you can add up, you can fill it out with water. And then after that, you can blend it out. Like each color, you can blend each color out. So we're gonna give it a try, okay? And then let's create something awesome with it. They also sent me these colored pencils. So let's see what we get inside. Wow. This got 72 colored pencils. And it's been packing up pretty well. Okay, so we got all these colored pencils, 72, and what we're going to do, we're going to do some variation between the paintbrush, the wheel brush paints, and the colored pencil. So what I'm going to do after I'm done adding wheel paintbrush colors, I'm gonna use the tweak to put like some colors using the colored pencil as some layers to see how it works. So I'm gonna use both medium. I'm gonna use the wheel brush pen and the colored pencils. Here's the paper that I'm gonna use to try these wheel brush pens, and it's acid free and smooth surface. So let's see what we can get with it. Alright, so now we're gonna do an exercise using the wheel brush pens. So I choose some colors, and what we're going to do, we're going to start using this color. This one is on orange. So I'm not gonna put any water yet because this is based on water. Okay, it's like paint brush, but based on water with colors. So anything that got to do with water, we can use it. So basically, it's really smooth, okay? And actually, you gotta work a little bit faster. And if you don't wanna work faster, apparently you can add water on the paper first, and so you can have time to do what you gotta do. Let's try to do something so we can blend. So let's try an exercise so we can blend out like only one color. Let's start from here. The thing is, with this color, you can always blend it out with water. This is a paintbrush based on water, but this one is for blending. Also, they come together with the package. So this one is like you put water, you fill it out with water, and then you use it to blend the colors. So let's see if we can blend this color. It actually works, okay? We can blend it out easily. You know, when you're using stuff like that that has like water, and stuff like that, like on watercolor, you gotta use like some like soft tissue to clean up the paintbrush every time you're done using it. Especially this one, this gotta be stay neutral. You just have to get any colors involved into it, so every time you're done using it, you just clean it up in case you're using another color, it don't get messed up. So you can blend out using this with water, fill out with water, okay? And let's try another color. So we're gonna try to blend out 2 different colors right now. Let's get some red and yellow. I'm gonna put the red on the top. When you just put the paintbrush on the paper, sometimes it gets dry. Like when you just start it, you just gotta like just let it flow automatically, and then it comes out. Actually, you already blended out somehow, but if you want it to be smoother, you gotta use the water brush. The water brush will get you exactly the way you want it to, the level that you want. It's really fun. It's not complicated. It's really simple. Okay, all you gotta do is play around with it, and then you'll be having fun doing it. And I really enjoy it right now. So it's simple and cool. And if you get the watercolor pad from their website, I think you will be enjoy it more with the watercolor paper. It's really fun, it's really simple, okay? All you gotta do is try to like don't mess up this blending brush. Okay, I call it blending brush. and you can always come back later. Let me see for this one, because we did this one like a few minutes ago. Let's see if we try to blend it out. So yeah, we still can do it because they're all based on water. You put water into it and you can still do something out of it. You can still use it. Come back later, do something, come back later, and then try to fix it, do something else. Let's say we're going to try a wet on wet technique. I know it's not watercolor, but it's based on water, so we can still try wet on wet technique with that. Now let's put some water on the paper first, and then let's see how the colors goes with the water as a first layer. So we add in water. We're not doing too much with the water. Okay, when I put the color, it's like it's a little bit moving, like it's and what I can see is like you got more time, like I said before, you got more time to do what you want to do. So like I feel like everything's still wet. I can even use my finger to blend it out. See? Now let's create something awesome with the wheel brush pens. What I'm going to do again, I'm gonna start adding water just lightly, nothing complicated. Okay, I'm gonna go as fast as I can because I don't want the video to be too long. and there might be some part that I speed up the process. Alright, the next step is to add the second color. For the second color, I'm gonna use the orange. For the orange, I'm gonna start from here. Use the coupon code on the description below. When you go to their website, you can get 10% off everything you buy until September 1st. Now, like I said before, I'm gonna mix up the colored pencil into the wheel paintbrush colors to see how it looks like. I really wanted to do that. So I'm using a white pencil right now. So I'm trying to see how it stands out, like both mixing together, because I like doing that. So the colored pencil can stand out like really good as a layer on top of each color. It depends on like what color you wanna mix together, because the color white, as you can see right now, is doing good. And what we're going to do, we're gonna try another color. I wanted to do that so I could add like the details that I wanted with the colored pencil. and it works pretty well. So I know exactly now how I can use both medium at the same time. Okay, so all you gotta do now is wait. When you're done using the wheel brush pen, if you wanna do the same as me, you just gotta wait until the colors are completely dry. Once they're done drying, you can start adding like color with pencil on top of it, but you gotta wait until they're dry so you don't mess up anything. So I really enjoyed the color with pencil on top of the wheel brush pen. So I hope you guys feel the same way. And it's really colorful. It's really like the colors like really stand out like really good, and it looks pretty good. Use the coupon code on the description below. When you go to their website, you can get 10% off everything you buy until September 1st. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think and what I should do next with some of these materials. Okay, let me know, guys, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and see you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.